Hello guys, welcome to Opus Corner. So I am now welcoming you to the new GFG problem for today. It is combinational sum number 2, where we are given an array of integer ARR. The length of the array is n and an integer is k. So we have to find all the unique combinations in ARR where the sum of the combination is equal to k, and each member can only be used once in a combination, and we have to return the combinations in a lexicographically sorted order where each combination is in non-decreasing order. Okay, so here is some examples over there, and our task is defined here. Just we don't need to read the input or print or anything. So our task is to complete the function combination sum2, which takes an array and n and k as input parameters and return all the unique combination. Here is some constant over there of n, array and k. Okay, so we have some time complexity values here. So now I will try to make the solutions in the C++ code. I hope you will all understand the coding part. Okay, so let's try out the code at first. This is the class solution part. Okay, so we are going to do this now like this. Quiet, solve, and there must be a integer in, integer for target. So I think I have written the code for this problem now. I will try to run the code at first. Let's see if it is passing the test cases, if it is passing and giving the output correct or not. Let's see. Let's try to run the code at first. Okay, so it is showing the correct output for the custom input over there. Now let's submit the code and see if it is passing all the test cases now. Okay, now it have passed all the test cases and the streak is well maintained now. Yeah, we have maintained our streak, and I think it is the time to wrap up this video. Before that, I have an announcement that my semester exams are coming and they are in the threshold. From the first week of June, my semester written exams will be conducted, and from the last week, my practical exams will be conducted. So therefore, I may be discontinued in the GFG solution problem or the Leetcode solution problem. But though you will all find out in my GitHub repo, the solution codes will be over there, so you can go check it out. But I may be discontinued from the solution videos or the explanation videos. So I will continue after the June month. And there is another announcement that my first ever podcast in the Anurag White's channel has been released at today in the evening. I will give you the link in the description box and also in the pin comment. Just go and go check it out. Check the video link over there, and do ping me in the comment if you like the portions of the video. I have discussed with him about the open source contributions. At the open source contributions, I have already dealt with the open source competitions I have been part of, or the projects I have been mentored. So you will get a broad or a very brief knowledge over there about the open source things. So you can go check that out, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding and goodbye.